How to activate eye comfort shield on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a display. Tap on a eye comfort shield. By default turn off. When you toggle on it, it will change your phone screen as a dim light. You can see. Choose the adaptive or custom schedule you want to set. Also change, increase or decrease the color temperature like this. That will helpful to reduce eye strain or easily read in a dim light. Tap on a set schedule. Here you can set always on, sunset to sunrise. Make sure turn on location to use sunset to sunrise or a custom time. Enter the start time and end time and tap on a done. So select the option you want to use, adaptive or a custom. You can use to activate eye comfort shield on your Samsung Z Fold 6. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off the eye comfort shield. That's it. If you like it, share it.